Look no further than the 2022 Hyundai Palisade. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This boldly styled, highly capable Palisade is an outstanding value. 3-row seating, a premium interior, ample cargo area, available all-wheel drive, V6 power, and standard driver assistance are just some of the many features that make this spacious crossover irresistible. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, premium sound system, power liftgate. Sophistication meets family-focused flexibility in this can-do Palisade. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.